This is Ed Weideman from MarineMax, Columbia. Our phone number here is 803-732-1104, and we're going to take a little walk around the brand new 2020 NauticStar 231 Hybrid. And this particular boat is black. It is powered by a 150 Yamaha outboard. We'll go up top here and take a look at all the features of this boat. They call this boat a hybrid because it combines the features of a fishing boat, center console, and a family fun boat. And we'll walk our way to the bow. Starting at the bow, you can see the seating area for the family, very comfortable and spread out. Big conversation area. These back rests, you see it in the stowed position there, and can pop out for when you're riding along and enjoying the day on the water with family. Up on the bow, you have a nice big casting platform with anchor locker, room for a trolling motor. And we'll go back towards the console. And the center console is very much like you would expect to see on a fishing boat. This one includes a stereo system, a Simrad, chart plotter, and fish finder. Stainless switches. Up above on the fiberglass T-top, you have an electronics box and lights, as well as LED lights. Rocket launchers above us. In the leaning post has a backrest, footrest, room for a cooler underneath, and rocket launchers on the back. The seats in the back all have a purpose, as well as just for seating underneath each one. You'll see the port side one is folded down. Underneath the port side is a room for a bucket for your cast net, a 5-gallon bucket. Under the center seat is a live well, and the back seat is your battery compartment. These seats fold down and make it an excellent casting platform, and then we finish it off with some more family fun with a ski tow bar. If you'd like to see this or any other one of our NauticStar boats, give us a call here at 803-732-1104. And again, my name is Ed Weideman. Thank you.